The iconic Silver Sands Beach Resort, it's being replaced. That's awesome. And Key Biscayne is getting a massive upgrade. A brand new 13-story luxury rise is coming. Let me show it to you. The project is very, very cool. Terra, a top Miami developer, just got approval to build this $600 million project. Let's talk about it because the high rise will have 56 luxury condos. And these are in small units. Most range from 3,354 to 4,788 square feet. And the top condos, over 8,000 square feet. That's impressive. And the penthouses even come with private pools. That's awesome living. What else does the building offer? It offers a fitness center, a spa, 3 resort-style pools, multiple restaurants. Parking won't be a problem here. And there will be 221 underground spaces. That's about 4 spots per condo. Pretty cool. The design comes with Tusset Studio and ODP Architecture and Design, the same firm working on South Miami's big projects. It's a huge change for 301 Ocean Drive, Key Biscayne. This area is moving so fast and is turning into a luxurious future. But there's a question. Is Key Biscayne better off with luxury condos, or did it lose its vintage charm? If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all our videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.